Okay, Unit 11 is still looking at circles, but now we're looking at some angles that are in them. So the easiest one we're going to look at is the central angle, and that's just when you have the center point, like right here, and there's two radius coming off, radii, and it's the angle right in between them. So that's the central angle. And then the arc that is in between those same two radii, right here, that's the arc angle. So we're going to find both the measures of those. One's going to be given, so we'll be able to find the other. Just some notes. Sometimes you're going to need to know that half a circle is 180. So like if I have these two pieces, the rest of this is 180. And then also all the way around the circle is 360 if you have the whole thing. And then the other thing that comes up in this one is that sometimes you're going to have two radii or diameters cross each other. And remember that these angles are congruent. Just a heads up. So let's look at the practice problem. So in this one, we want to find angle IDE, which means this angle right here. Remember, it's the angle at D between I and E. So if you look, this angle intersects with those two lines, so it'll be equal to this angle if we can find it. We have this piece, we just need to know this one. And remember, central angles mean that the inside and the outside are equal. That's kind of the rule of thumb. So if this arc is 52, then, let me get rid of all these lines. If this arc is 52 between those two radii, then this angle is also 52. So we know that, let's do a different color. If these intersect and these are equal, then we just add these up to equal this. So we're going to get 50 plus 52 is angle IDE. So then the measure of angle IDE is 102. So they're the same size. Okay, let's try another one. There we go. So if you look at this one, arc DC is right here. And we know that if this angle is between these two, right there, then its arc is the same. So this is also 10x plus 9. And we need to find x. So to get x, let's get rid of all these extra colors. I'm going to relabel that. So if you look, we know this angle here is 124, and it actually is a vertical angle with these two. So those are equal. So 124 equals 9x plus 1 plus 10x plus 9. Those two pieces add up to make this, because they're vertical angles, they're congruent. So we just keep solving this. So 19x plus 10, 124. Continue solving through. And I should have my calculator out. You can get decimals on these, but a lot of them do end up being nice whole numbers. This one here, we actually get the whole number 6. And then we wanted to find DC, so the measure of, what was it? Yeah, DC is 10x plus 9. So it's really important to remember what piece you're plugging it back into. That's probably the trickiest, is not doing like a wrong piece. Like I don't want to plug it into EC. So that's it. That's 11.1. And the homework tonight is also going to have 11.2, so make sure you watch that video also.